We always dreamed of owning a home, a place to create memories, enjoy special moments, and build a life together. But reality hit hard. Every rejection chipped away at our hope. The paperwork was overwhelming, and the mortgage jargon felt like a foreign language. We started to wonder, would we ever call a house our own? It felt like we were drowning in the process, buried under endless requirements and unsure of where to turn. Then we were referred to There's No Place Like Home, Homebuyers Club, and everything changed. From day one, we had 24/7 access to our client portal. We could track our progress anytime, and our lender stayed updated with monthly reports.
The process was simple and stress-free. Step 1. Request a free credit analysis. Step 2. Watch a personalized consultation video. Step 3. Complete your registration and payment through an email link.
With clear steps and consistent updates, we began to see results. Every month, we received progress reports that kept us motivated and on track. Even our lender stayed informed every step of the way, thanks to detailed progress updates from Dolores. Our credit report went from a major setback to steady progress, and soon we were ready to take the next step.
Hi, this is Mr. Eubanks. I have some great news for you. Congratulations, your mortgage is approved.
Thanks to our credit improvements, steady guidance, and a plan that worked, we turned our dream into reality. After all, Dorothy said it best, there's no place like home.